Start by turning on the finisher and pressing preheat. Prepare the socks in the A5 tray. Remove the lid and open the tray. Place the socks flat on the tray, evenly spaced. Note which direction the socks are facing and close the tray. Place the tray in the finisher. Once the finisher is to temperature, shift the lever and press the socks for 30 seconds. Shift the lever back to center and then move the tray from the finisher to the printer. They are now ready for printing. Plug in your USB drive with your design into the computer provided. Note, the printer should be plugged into the computer as well. On the computer, click on Roland Design, then click Advanced Designer. If you are printing on thick socks, choose sweatshirt. If they are thin, you can choose t-shirt. Choose the A5 tray, click OK. Click Import Image, and then the first option that includes USB memory. Find your file and click Open. Rotate the image to match the position of the socks. Click Import Image to add the image for the other sock. Rotate this image as well. Here we are also making sure the images are the same size. Increasing the contrast will make sure the colors are bright on the sock. Then position the images so they will print center on the socks. When ready, click Print. On the printer, wait until it says Press Start key, then press Start. You may get the message, Adjust height, press Start to restart or Tray to reset garment. Press the down arrow for 10 to 30 seconds and then press Start again. Repeat if needed. The printer will begin to print. When finished printing, move the tray back to the finisher and push the lever to the set side. This takes 3 minutes to set the ink. Move the lever back to the center and take the tray out of the finisher. Careful, it may be hot. If finished, you can turn off the finisher. Remove the socks from the tray. Add another pair of socks and print more, or you can now close the Roland Design software. Put away the tray. Congratulations, you finished your socks.